Hello my dear friends, it's Yuri, and this time I want to make the video about the highly interesting situation, theoretically and cognitively interesting situation, which is calling in the economic physics as the model of jumps and diffusion. And the reason to do it is the last move during the last weekend for the COS. It's the contentious crypto coin, which is traded on the different stocks, and you know that it was amazingly interesting jump, and after that it was amazingly strong relaxation. And I think that this jump which happened in the last Friday was started one day before, when we see that during the long period of time these coins have not so strong volatility. It was very low volatility, and actually we can see that in this day and the prices were up approximately 25%, and the turnover were also grown up. And after such a growth for the 0.5 cents, the stocks have relaxation process, and they have lost approximately half of this growth. And this connection relaxation were 50% from the growth, and we can see that the growth was very short period of time, and relaxation was much more longer. You know that everything, and after that we can see that they have growth more slowly, and again it was a strong correction, again for 10% approximately to the previous high. And after that we have seen that in the sort of December serious move have started at 4 hours and 45 minutes, and we can see that it was two jumps, and it was something like the era, just a second, earthquake, because you know that such moves are oftenly happening as a result of the different small moves, which are happening much more quicker than it's happening usually. And this connection, the time becoming very short in such position, and the time becoming very relative. And what was happened during this sum, we see that the move from this high 444 till, just a second, 749, so it's approximately 3 hours only. And during these 3 hours were happening much more serious processes than they were happening in previous year. And after that it was quite a solid, but excuse me, but quite a normal correction of the relaxation of this jump. So the maximum was 5 cents and 0.577 cents, and after that correction were approximately more than 50% from the size of this growth. But after that we have see that one more move upward, approximately little bit lower than was the previous high, and after that it was understandable that prices will go down again, and they have down very seriously, exactly on the level from which all this move have started. And again one more move upward, and with even much more turnover, and after that we have seen that one more relaxation, and after that the downward trend. In many cases certainly it's related with the subject that during these times the situation on the cryptocurrency market will highly difficult, and in this connection in some cases it was maybe a reason such as for jump, because maybe some of the guys have seen that on the common market situation is difficult, and this connection they have decided that it's a good time to make the endogenous growth and serious short-term speculations to compensate those losses which were coming from the Ethereum market or the other markets. And in this connection, it was a move against the market. But after that, the situation were changing very quickly to the normal level. And maybe for those one who have not took part in this move, it's much more better that prices have gone down. But certainly for those one who have spent their money, or maybe for the algorithmic trading platforms, it was quite in some cases opportunistic time. But from the other side, it's certainly understandable that if somebody have made money and other ones have lost them. So this is the highly interesting situation. But I hope that it's a reason to take a more attentive look for the COS, because you see that they have very interesting white paper in which they are seriously and very attentively describing all the algorithms of the distribution of the some portion of the coins, and it's a big portion. It's more than sort of all issue. 3.5 billion coins will be distributed in the last 10 years. Some of them have been distributed in the previous 2 years, but they will be distributed among the public. And this connection, that currently it seems that it's excellent time to open in the channels on the COS TV, because that currently the level of the new issues of the COS, which is issuing every 10 seconds, as I know, that it's a highly interesting time to start activity on the COS TV, exactly, because it's not the alternative to the YouTube, for example. It's just the additional step in development of the video content. In this connection, you see, it's like the not even the diversification, but maybe just some seeds for the serious future. If it will happen and the platform will develop quickly, it will be highly interesting and useful. But if it will not happen, nothing will cost it for you. But that you will receive new interesting experience in the real blockchain, which is working perfectly, in the technology which is working perfectly. And it's not the doc coins or something like this, because here it is there are a lot of real not only fun, but some kind of the real business. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Have a good content creation for all content creators in YouTube and in the COS and other platform. I hope to see your comments about the econophysics and about the working in the social networks. Hope to see you on my channel. I will be thanks a lot if you will decide to subscribe for my channel or stay your comments, and have a good day. Bye bye.